headed, where are we headed? Okay, we are out of there. Guys, by the one thing we forgot to tell you, you can also do a game drive if you want. We just came from a game drive the other day. We didn't feel any.
That video.
I think you've seen the video of us in a game drive. So I didn't see the need of going for a game drive. Again, it's barely 2 weeks.
But a week?
It's barely a week by the... Oh, it was actually last weekend. Yeah. So me, I will not go for a game drive right now. We'll do a game drive to Kimis Wanyama.
Let's just do another one hotel.
Oh, another hotel?
Yes.
Ooh.
Let's just do another one hotel. Indeed, we just took a heavy breakfast. That's why it's becoming... that's why we don't eat a lot. We just did some heavy breakfast. FK, yeah? That's why I'm good sana. Yeah.
But guys, you've seen we just took wings. So guys, funny story. This guy orders wings and then says,
bring them hot.
Bring them hot.
Yani zikiwa moto.
No. Guys, tumeletewa wings ziko na pilipili.
Sana.
Funny enough, I've enjoyed them so much. Akulangi pilipili. But then again, I'm so glad you ordered the pilipili ones because I have enjoyed so much. But next time if you don't want pilipili, don't say hot. Tumia Kiswahili. Yes. So anyway, guys, as you've seen, I was in a tree house today. Tomorrow I'm queen. Okay? Tomorrow I'm queen.
Okay.
Yes. Tomorrow I'm queen.
It's okay.
Yes. Oh, that place is so beautiful.
So that was Three Tops, Nyeri. It's a good place. Nyeri. Make a point of visiting. By the way, guys, let me tell you something, yeah? Okay, let me reduce the speed at this point. But guys, let me tell you something, yeah? You don't have to go to coast always.
Yeah.
You don't have to go to Naivasha for a weekend. Sometimes do some nature. It's cheap because probably I think the only thing you have paid.
The smell of trees.
We have taken Del Monte wings and what else? Del Monte wings, eh?
They've given me a thermos of hot water for free.
Yes, which have costed us about 1,300. I've paid a bit of 1,300, which is a normal price, eh? Which is a normal price all over.
It's actually a normal price for... No, it's actually... Okay. Asante. It's cheaper than most places.
Cheaper than most places,
yes.
Eh? So guys, that's what I'm saying. And then we have paid 900 for the entry fee. And that is from to e-Citizen KWS.
Yes.
So nothing more. The same thing you go to, what do you call this place? You go to Ark Lodge, the same thing. So it's
guys,
cheap.
I hope you've seen a video of Ark Lodge. You
don't have to have a car, guys. If you take, kama uko na mresho wako, unatoka na ichukua 20k, lipa hiyo 3 ama 4 so. Si ndio? Hata tuseme ni punch, lipa hiyo punch. Si ni 2k. Kukuja na kurudi, Organize na hawa watu wakuchukua tauni na 2k, wakuleta mpaka hapa ndani. Si ni sawa, Then you finish, they take you back. We are good to go. And you are in a trip in Ark Lodge and umeona wanyama, umekula na wanyama, umehave lunch na wanyama. You are good to go, that's all. Yes. So you don't have to live boring, So jipange tu, guys. We are not marketing for them anyway, they are not paying us, but it's how you can make your life a bit better.
It's how you can make your life better. But then again, this place is very historical. Okay, I can't believe Queen Elizabeth is that beautiful. She's just a beautiful girl.
She was beautiful.
Extremely. She's dead. I'm not jealous. Yeah, the mother of Prince Charles and Princess Anne. Yes. The grandmother of Prince Harry and Prince William. Yes.
Okay.
Guys, thank you so much for keeping tuned. Stick around while we continue with our journey, guys. Stick around. I've slept through the way, guy. That was amazing. Being a passenger princess sometimes comes with its pack. Welcome to Narumoru River Lodge. Imagine tumetoka Nyeri to Narumoru sai. I can't even believe it. Hope it's a good place. That plant is cute.
I don't understand why you have to ask me for my phone number and my ID number when I'm entering somewhere. Why? So you get my phone number and my email or something else. The worst part is they take those numbers and then they sell it to highest bidders who can start calling us through our phones. Yes, or they start sending you some funny messages because you are there. See, I came my age contract yetu imesha juu nilikuja na nikakula. Yeah, that's the point. You don't have to send me a message later on. So I think that's wrong, bwana. No. Ask me my simu kona CCTV. Si uko na jina yangu na phone number yangu na CCTV. What else do you need? Wewe waache hiyo maneno. So it's okay, guys. We are at Narumoru River Road. Let's see how the place is,
It has a sauna, that's a plus. Okay, it has ni kama iko na swimming, sauna, all those things.
Yes.
The view is good.
Yeah.
According to me.
Let's see how the press is then, guys. We see whether you can get some few snippets here and there. And then we see. So that's okay.
Our third place of the day.
Yes. Second or third?
Okay, FK is not a place we count as.
It's okay. Thank you, guys. So
God.
let's see.
Listen to the birds.
You can hear the river, eh?
Listen, just listen.
So guys, the place is very beautiful. Extremely. The river is just here. Guys, that's the river. The river is just there.
Wow.
Let me zoom. That's the river.
Oh, they have cabins.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful place.
Those are cabins.
Those are cabins, huh?
Yeah, those are supposed to be from Kenya cabins.
Oh.
This and the Ruguti, Naraza. But the question is, what criteria did they use to name them?
I don't know.
Okay, you're going to ask. Right?
Yeah, guys, it's raining.
People have seen nowadays they love doing historical content. Remember the story I told the story of Julia in Olpajeta? And then and then in Treetop there's the story of the Queen. Now, next thing, why are they naming the cabins like that? Come and ask me, and that plug for every historic thing in any hotel. Beautiful. So beautiful. You know the restaurants like that? Old school.
Guys, we are the price of these things. Ask us.
Imagine coming here. Nagrahi. Happen?
I'll show you.
So mechona tu hivyo. And guys, they are real berries. They're nice.
Fresh from the tree.
Wow.
You should be walking with me.
Nakula na umeniambia unanipenda ukaniletea.
Okay, so ushike basi.
Siwezi kosa berries zingine.
Hakuna, inakuanga tu hapa nje. Ndio mmetoa hizi.
Nikana kamoja?
Hatuna ingine.
Na hakuna kitu kingine mtu anaweza kula ya kichaka yenye hamlipishi.
Hakuna, zinaitwaje? Tule matunda kidogo fulani. Tutaona.
Nani ziko wapi?
Iko tu around. Kuna ingine iko pale kwa.
Tunapitia hapo.
Kwa ile mtu kubwa ziko hapo chini.
Hiyo view angalia venye nitamu.
Very. So first you walk outside, then you come and take this.
First, I have to take my hot water.
So you carry it. Hi. Sasa. Never press the cup or any other cup. So guys, welcome to Narumoru River Lodge. Let's check what there is. So let's first check on the fields, then we check on the obstacle challenge, which you usually
There's challenge course.
Challenge course. We see what there is, guys. Be with us. Alright. Whether you have just taken tea. I've just taken tea with some hot water as we wait for food. You see what is there in the food. So here we have the river, eh? They have not paid me, by the way. Something else you have. Start there. So guys, the reason as why we have these hotels, it's because sometimes you can get something naturally to eat. Miss. So this is bush berries. These are bush berries. It's as fresh as possible. So that is it. Now it was only that one. So our girlfriend here or my wife here loves bush berries so much. And let us see whether I can get several.
I'll be mad at you if you don't find any by the way.
Now come close. Do I have one here? So let's check again.
Ripe ones. I love
Yes.
ripe ones.
You know how to check the ripe ones. That's another one. You have to wash them, eh?
Why wash them?
Baby.
Can wipe them.
With what? Saliva.
Germs are not aware. This is nature. They've grown in soil. Enough.
No fertilizers, no nothing.
Nakaa ni kama mnini. Umekuja kwa shamba yako. Get out of here. This is not
You know
your
what I'm
place.
saying? I love this type of hotels.
The house hotels. Guys, look at the hotel rooms. Like, they literally look like houses. The good thing about this place is the nature. It's so beautiful. Like, let's go show them the river.
So
That's it.
So
It's
guys,
okay.
I've managed to get 4.
Let me eat one.
Yes, you can have.
Let's
They're
go.
sweet. So guys, let's go to the river. I can see we have some berries.
Ooh, wow. Isn't this the yummiest thing I've ever tasted?
They're as fresh as possible. I can see others there. We'll check whether there is some. So guys, here is the river. So we have decided today to visit some of the places you can visit in Mount Kenya. Eh? You don't have to go there. Hey, the river is full one.
Mi siwezi karibia. So, you know, I fear water.
So here it is, Nanisafi. It's very clean.
Okay, sweetie, please get out of there, please. Toka.
Here is the river, damn clean. I think it's only in Nanyuki and Narumoru, eh? And I don't know whether the river in Kutus is clean as this river here, as you can see. In Azana chini, but it's a bit swollen. So that is it. You can be taking your cup of coffee around as you listen to the river, as you enjoy the nature. So guys, as you come with us. Yeah. So these are Ruga. I think that's Jamea.
Mi sitaki lunga. Tumi ningeomba Mungu tupate mapera.
So they have a very big field.
Okay, where is the obstacle thing? Let's go to the obstacle thing. Okay, I was saying, there's the rooms are named after Mount Kenya.
Cabrini, Meli, Kerivo.
Mount Kenya cabin.
Ruguti.
Ruguti. Okay, I think they name them according to how they just love the names. I don't understand why. I wait for the surprise.
So here I have some other berries for you.
Oh, kumbe strawberry inakuanga mti ya juu.
This is not strawberry. This is just some other forest berries. So guys, another forest berries here you can eat.
Zinakuanga nani?
Yeah.
Zinakuanga za?
So guys, once in a while you surprise your wife. Right, I'm going to surprise. Instead of buying her one flower, I give her very many flowers. Buenferia, I love you baby.
Unajua umeweka ile shape ya kaburi?
Nimeweka shape ya kaburi. Okay. So let us make a bouquet. Let me make for her a bouquet, eh?
Kabisa.
So guys. Good. So take. Doesn't it look nice?
It's better.
Good.
But now mimi ni mkisi. Ndazibeba mpaka saa ngapi?
Ndio nataka kujitupa.
Lazibeba mpaka saa ngapi? Okay, me first of all, I'm not taking the risks. You know me, I let you down with risks. Like
You have a wooden bridge.
Ooh.
You have a wooden bridge.
No, me, I don't like this.
No, it's not moving.
God. That's so cute.
Hi guys, so can we continue? I don't have to walk in the forest.
Yeah. It's so beautiful, guys. Okay, if you want to come to North Tres, you also have a forest to walk. And you will catch a bit of antelopes here and there, according to what I've heard, and monkeys.
Koruba's monkey.
pandas.
Guys, I can joke with anything else except bees.
Where are the bees?
So guys, here we are. We have some bees inside that tree.
Let's go back.
So you can see them.
Yeah, let's go back. Let's go. The bees can hear you. If you record them, you know, if you record bees without a media consent, they'll come after you.
They'll come after me?
Yes.
And then they sue me?
Yeah, no. They fight for themselves. If you try to...
There are some small animals called wasps.
Wasps are not small animals. They're like bees. They are from the bee family.
Wasps zikikuamulia.
Nishaumwa nayo. Alafu ikitengeneza makao karibu na mahali unapita, you'll be shocked. So anyway, look at me.
Let's go back for lunch, guys. Here we are with my sweetheart. Mwah. I love you.
And then can I tell you something? I have seen
your head is so small. Oh. So how do you hold it? Oh, you should be on my right hand.
I'm so tired.
Here we are.
I am so tired.
Let me show you that, baby.
I'm so tired.
You have to do. Don't look at the camera.
I look at you. Do you know I dance better than you?
You don't have the ass.
No, that's not what I use.
No, by the time you ask, yeah?
Yet that's not what I use. Okay, that came out wrong.
Let me ask, yeah? If ladies want to dance, and you tell them no shaking,
you do nini mabega?
I don't think they can
do the mabega. The mabega thing can also be a good dance.
Oh, there's somebody I've not paid. Kiko use with business.
Can we go do it where there are no puffanders?
Let's go.
Okay, and then people are wondering what is a puffander, guys. My son, one day we go to was it a museum?
No, snake park.
Snake park. Then I'm there telling him, this is a snake. The name was before where we were and where the name of the snake was. It was a bit ahead. So me, I'm there all ahead. I'm telling my son, that's a snake. No, it's like, no, mommy, it's a puffander. I'm like, no, it's a snake. No, it's a puffander. Then I got so pissed. Like, how am I telling my child it's a snake? Something very common, everyone can see it's a snake. And he's telling me it's a puffander.
It was a puffander.
Let me shock you. We walk past the snake. I see the name. It's a puffander. Yes. A 4-year-old knew the name puffander.
How comes he's brighter than you?
Not how comes he's brighter than me. A 4-year-old knew the name puffander. And I did not.
Hapa ndio ulisikia mara ya kwanza.
Hapa ndio nilisikia mara ya kwanza. I'm like, guy. Okay, let me tell you guys, by the way, I'm raising a genius. And I know. And I'm not bragging. Look at me not bragging that I'm raising a genius.
I think I've sorted that out, eh?
Uko na biashara? Okay, hazitaisha. Let's go.
Kwanza hata kuna mtu hapa tulikuwa nikitumia na haja.
Guys, what if I hide?
Inside the business. Jimoge. Wewe kipi yangu?
I cannot hide. He's working faster. I wanted to hide and see if he'll look for me. It's true. It's a stress-free zone.
Oh no. Oh.
Aye. Look at him at you. Aye. I fear. I'm scared of heights and you made me pass through a bridge. That's unfair. Ndio naona. Oh. Wow. Now look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. The nature. This is. If you're looking for somewhere where you want to see nature
at its
nature
finest.
At its like there's nowhere else you will find nature.
This
like
is
here.
Laikipia County. Yes, this is Laikipia County.
Hakuna place ingine kuna nature kama hii. Hakuna the trees, the river, the bees, the like fruits.
I know guys,
no matter what you tell me, that's the only place.
What I'm looking at. I have seen other types of berries which I want to feed my wife. Again, whether you don't know, berries increase.
Whatever he wants to increase, it's okay, guys.
Berries increases. That one. So let me get her another type of berries. How do I get those berries?
Which ones?
Can you see them?
Where are they?
These ones. Here.
Do you remember what Samson did to Delilah? He fought lions, he fought men. What is so hard about you fighting those thorns?
What did aka kajama kalikuwa kanaitwa Romeo?
Hakuna venye utaniambia unanipenda na unashinda kushika miba mbili. Prove to me you guza hizo miba.
You see that guy called Romeo,
eh?
In one way video. Yes, Shakespeare alikuwa anatuenjoy sana.
Ni beri gani wewe?
Don't worry.
Okay, don't kill me. I have a full bank account. Don't kill me. If you let me live, I will give you my ATM pin.
Huh?
If you let me live.
Yeah, I am. I've done it for you like something for Delilah.
No, you've not used your hands.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling you, Aki, this place, this is the nature at its finest. Honestly, I've never seen nature at this much.
Hey, this is another type of berries.
They're not the same as the one I've eaten.
No.
Oh God. Charger.
These are totally different berries and these are sweeter.
Which
Can
are
you
they?
zoom here? Zoom here, eh?
Yes.
These are sweeter. They are a bit, what do you call it, eh? They are sweeter.
In our culture, we don't eat these things.
Look.
These are not fruits.
They are berries. You see, I'm teaching you how to live a bush life. You see, I'm teaching, and if you go to a forest, make sure you're talking to mtu. You see, I'm teaching you how to live a bush life.
What if I die?
You can't die. You have been eating these things when you were small. Unafikiria kama singekula hizi vitu ungenipata? Ama nirudi kwenye nilikuwa, niachane nazo. Unajua nyinyi watu wa Kolera Nairobi hamjui kitu kingine isipokuwa doma za sewage.
Wewe, tunaambiwa ni za Meru. Tukinunua tuambiwa ni za sewage.
So guys, let's go and check whether.
Na zinakuanga na mchanga ya red.
Let's go and check whether the ranch is ready. So that is okay, guys. Let's move on.
Nature at its finest, guys. Nature. Like
Yeah.
everything. Look at those trees over there. Like,
Which type of tree is this?
look above me, below me, aside me, behind me, in front of me.
The sound you hear around is the river.
The river and the birds. Like, it's so clean and neat and cute, and if someone has not brought you to such a place,
This is aloe vera.
hakupendi Aki. Yeah. And ona venye aloe vera iko healthy kushinda aloe vera zote.
So,
Please what? It's very healthy.
so guys, good.
Kai.
Unaenda wapi?
Ona venye inatoa maji.
So this is aloe vera.
This is the aloe vera we need for our skin and hair and medicine. Akiona?
Imeenda wapi?
It's so soft, like it's so healthy and soft.
Unaikata inaenda wapi? Yeah. So guys, sijui nitawafunza dawa za miti mpaka lini. This is aloe vera. This is aloe vera. Keruma. In Kiambu they call it I don't know, but this is it. Kama unataka kuzaa twins, finya hii maji, weka kwa kijiko, kunywa mara 3 per day mara 2. Unasema nini? Kunywa mara 3 per day mara 2, utazaa twins. And then unakunywa na Wednesday. Haya. The same thing. Ukitaka bibi asipotee. Unataka kuweka bibi, weka kwa kikombe ya plastic, kunywa mara 3 per day. Good. Ukitaka kuongeza mshahara kazini,
unajua naona una waste hiyo maji, ningekuwa nimeweka kwa nywele yangu ingekuwa saizi na feel poa.
Ukitaka kuongeza mshahara kazini, ndio hii. Kama una support Arsenal, na unaona mnarogwa, kunywa hii. Kama umewekelea bet, kunywa hii. Lakini sasa kunywa na birika. Otherwise kama unataka kujinyoga, usinunue kaba. So guys, tunaenda kukula. Let's go eat.
Actually, that aloe vera would have been nice for my hair.
Haya guys, let's go eat now.
That aloe vera would have been nice for my hair.
Kuna pale nimeona managu kubwa sana.
Utanichunia aloe vera moja ya nywele yangu? Thank you. Guys. Now that's where we are going to eat. That's the restaurant.
You can have a bonfire tonight.
This is where they do their bonfire. Like it's just
like the last place you guys we were at what do you call it?
Treetop.
Treetops, there also a bonfire. You can have a bonfire there. So if you're in Mount Kenya, you don't have to stay border. You have to go to coast or you have to go to Nairobi. If you're in Mount Kenya, you don't have to struggle to go to Nairobi to
Please
go to
guys,
coast.
tell us which county you want us to
Take
showcase
to
next. Tell us which county you want us to showcase next.
And
the table has tiles. The table is made of tiles and wood. Sure? Yes, these are tiles.
Hey?
Yes. That's a tile surrounded by wood. Okay. And the seat is this traditionally made.
You have to sit somewhere you can see outside clearly. Yeah, I think we have this vibe for wooden because even where we were, there was the wooden vibe.
I think we have the wooden vibe.
Yeah, so guys, we are ready to eat for food because I think it's already ready. You can see they have said visu ni zile. Visu.
Yeah, nikisikia nyama, that's why inakaa hivyo.
Hado. This one is made from a plastic pipe. Don't ask me how I know it. Plastic pipe 6 inches diameter. Yeah.
Don't trust him. So guys, that's it. Nimeenda washrooms.
Ni safi.
Si hata usafi pekee. Imagine you doing your business when you're here at the river. Like you're doing your business while the river, like the river is behind you while you're doing your business. Guys, it's so luxurious and clean and neat. So that's another thing I've realized. Another point of you've not noticed about this place, they take people to Mount Kenya.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they take people to Mount Kenya. So the people who have gone to inaitwaje? Ukifika point Lenana unapewa t-shirt unaandika jina lako inahangiwa. If you went to Mount Kenya with them, you hang your t-shirt. How do I put it? Yes.
One day I come Mount Kenya.
You're like a legend. You can even go for a month. So they take people to Mount Kenya. Then there is a 10 kilometers hike for those who love hikes in the same place.
Hapa kwa 10 kilometers ndio tuna hiking si shida. Lakini hapa kwa kilomita
with even obstacle courses. Yes. They have camping sites, they have tennis, they have sauna, they have swimming. But what stood out for me is the nature and the toilet. Those two.
And the berries.
The berries.
So,
no, kuna yenye tumbo yangu isikii vizuri sana. The berries umenipea yenye janifurahisha.
Acha kutoma.
So what happens is this, guys, they have everything. It's in short, this is a place whereby you can do fancy, farm, and traditional at the same time. Yes. And I believe their rooms are also affordable.
So guys, you're on our back home.
So wait first. I believe their rooms are also affordable.
They're affordable.
Yes. If compared to other places that I've gone, with the same nice, sweet views and everything, their rooms are really affordable.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now, guys, we're on our way back home.
Yeah.
I'm opting to use the wrong route. Yeah, it's more interesting. I'm opting to use.
You don't want me to buy onions?
When I'm a bit yesterday, just traveled yesterday back. Yeah. We just traveled yesterday back from different businesses, me and you. Yeah. So we are a bit. What do you call it? A bit sluggish. Huh?
Let me tell you, if I slept with my kids, juicy, and if Jana I spent enough time with them, leo singeenda home.
Yeah.
But because I've been absent kidogo, I just feel like I should just go.
So I'm opting to use the Kanyagia route, the Kanyagia Moiga route.
You don't want me to buy onions.
Instead of using
I'm asking a question, dude.
Leave onions around. Next week I'll buy for you onions.
Okay, guys, you've heard it on video. If he doesn't buy for me onions, namweka kwa blogs.
So guys, I want to use the wrong route. The wrong route is more interesting. It can keep me a bit active rather than the other route. The other route is 55 kilometers. The other route is about around 49 kilometers. So I prefer the other one. So guys, I think that is that for our video today. Join us next time as we take you to other places. I recommend places
Kenya. You would like to know, or the counties you would like us to visit on your behalf.
The hotels you have never visited, you would like us to check them for you.
Yes.
And we are good to go.
And sometimes tell us the things you want to know about a hotel. If you comment down below and tell us and ask us questions, we may not record everything because at the same time we want to enjoy the moment.
And you tell us as raw as it is.
Yes. So if you comment in our videos or inbox us on our social media, follow us on Instagram, The Wawerus. Please follow us on Instagram, The Wawerus, and tell us there.
Instagram, The Wawerus Kenya. Facebook, The Wawerus.
Instagram, The Wawerus Kenya.
And YouTube, The Wawerus. So guys, we are.
Wait, I'm saying something.
Continue.
Ish.
The Queen of Nyamira.
Where? Japan enough trees. So what I'm saying is this: you guys can have. We don't record everything because you also want to enjoy the moment. So if you comment down, if you ask us the questions, we can inbox you directly on the things maybe you observed or so. On some of these hotels, we have contact people that we can actually help you get to.
I don't think there is no single hotel. We don't have a contact person.
Yes.
Any hotel we go, we always get contacts to ensure that to make things easier for you and for us. Yes.
Yeah. So if you tell us, if you ask us, that's when we can give you proper details. Even for the time that we were having a moment, like sometimes we just also want to enjoy the breeze, and then we don't record it. Not that it doesn't exist. Like for example, I've not recorded the toilet. And another thing that I think I would have recorded but I didn't record, I wish I would have done a room tour for you guys.
We didn't do a lot.
Yes, we didn't do a lot. Yeah. But the rooms they have cabins, and the cabins are very simple and cute and nice. Yes. And another thing is
they're not expensive.
They are affordable. Yes, they're affordable. Oh, they have a sauna. If you go one person is 1,000, 500. If you go 6 is 300.
Come again?
Sauna. One person is for 1,000.
Yes.
2 people is for 500.
If you go 2 of you, you pay 500. 500
each.
If you go
1,000 each.
Go 2.
500 each.
Go 3.
I don't remember the rest, but I remember 6. 6 is 300 each. Yes.
So okay, guys, that is Narumoru. Narumoru is just a few meters from. It's just about a half a kilometer from there. So guys, we are in Laikipia County.
Why were you asking about the prices of the sauna?
1, 2.
Why were you?
Nearly counted.
Why were you asking about the prices of sauna?
Just asking because it was not. I don't know how the mathematics or mathematicking.
If you enter one person, you're going to consume the same a lot of energy alone.
Yes.
The 2 of you will consume a lot of energy. You could do cost sharing. It's just a bunch of people sitting naked in a room to sweat. So this is what happens. So the
difference between those people and Adam and Eve in location.
Yes. So and they are sweating. So if you go 6 of you, you've consumed energy for like you'll pay 1,800 for the space, but you will consume the same energy that a one person would have consumed.
Yeah, true.
Because it's the same heat.
Yes.
So the same metals unamwagia maji. So that's what happens. That's why there's that cheap. So there's that sauna, there's swimming, there's tennis, there is hiking, there is nature, this is one of those places that I tell people visit because you will get plenty in one place.
Exactly.
Like you'll not be no one will be bored. Like it's for everyone. Yes. No one will be bored. If you are a nature person, you're sorted. If you are a luxury person, you're sorted.
If you are a sleepy person,
yes, like visit.
Yes.
Yes. It's good for families and friends and single people.
So guys, before we finish up, hawa wanakimbizana wakienda wapi?
Wow.
Haona mwingine hapo nyuma yangu.
Huyu ame relax.
Hiyo ni ya kwenda. Okay, I understand the road is straight, Guys, I do that camera ile ya jigi.
The people in front of us, actually, you don't see the first two. The first two was a Prado and I think a Discovery, Porsche, and a Porsche, and then a Cafilda.
The road is very straight.
The road is very straight, actually.
This is where you go and you start singing, "Country Lord, take me home."
Yes. Actually, you're the only ones who are going slow enough.
I belong.
Okay, you sing on key. I don't want to say off key, so that you stop. Don't do music. So, anyway, we're finishing the video.
You can see the road is straight, up to the end. Wherever you can see the road is damn straight. Yes. So guys, I'm done finishing the video.
Yes.
Oh, the video is dead. So guys,
will I help you to drive or I sleep?
She's sleep.
Thank you.
Guys, that is the end of our video. Keep watching as we do other explorations here and there. Today it has been just a busy day, but anyway, today I decided to kupeleka Maraba peke yake. We never go to new places with kids. We avoid as much as possible, such that if it's disappointing without kids. So guys, with that, remember to subscribe, like and share. The Waweros, YouTube, wherever you are watching, Facebook, The Waweros, Instagram, The Waweros Kenya, TikTok, The Waweros. And I think guys, with that, until next time, bye bye.
Bye guys.